I'm Will from Trico Products Australia. One of the more common questions we get asked is how often should I replace my rear wiper blade? Now, it's a common misconception that because rear blades don't do as much work as front blades, they don't need to be replaced as often. Now, most people believe that it's use and water that wears out windscreen wiper blades, when in fact it's almost exactly the opposite. Cold temperatures, hot temperatures, and dust are the most common contributors to early wiper wear. And because rear wipers operate generally in harsher conditions and on dirtier screens, they tend to wear just as quickly as your front wipers. So Trico recommends replacing your rear wipers every time you replace your front wipers for maximum visibility in all conditions. The Trico Exact Fit rear blade program is designed as a factory replacement for your vehicle. Each individual blade is made as per your vehicle's specifications and standards. They're also treated with UV stabilizers to get the maximum life out of the wiper blade itself. They're available at all good auto parts stores, so give them a try on your next wiper changeover.